In today's video we're going to be doing two masks based on graffiti, and one's going to be on white and the other one is going to be on black. Welcome back to my channel everyone, I'm Sally and I run Didsbury Art Studio, and in today's video I'd like to do two masks using lots of different fabric materials to create some graffiti art on top of them. Let's get into it. This is what you'll need: some black and white cotton fabric, fabric markers. So I actually developed these masks from some drawings and paintings and mixed media pieces that I did with my Saturday class. And what happened was we got into lockdown and the whole project got postponed. The pattern I'm using is for teenagers. I will leave the link down below. And what I've done is, because this one's in paper, I just drew it out onto some card, which is much easier to draw around. Those to draw around on two bits of cotton black fabric. On the black I used a chalk pencil, and I've also cut out two bits of lining, and then I've done it on the white cotton fabric and I used the water erasable pen and also cut out the lining. Let's do the black one first. So as there's going to be a centimetre seam all the way around the masks, I've just put like a little dash around both bits of fabrics just to allow me to think about that the design is going to go in this little section here. So try to contain your design within that. And what I'm going to do is take elements from my designs and also look online for different ideas, but I'm going to base it on the whole lockdown kind of experience. So now that the designs are finished, I've kind of placed them side by side just to see how the overall look will be. Next, I'm going to use these fabric colours, and I'm going to go with kind of blue on top and pink below. Using two separate paintbrushes because I don't want to water down the paint, as sometimes the colour can bleed if it's too watery, so I'm just sticking to opaque and using a separate paintbrush. I've limited the paint colours to blue, pink and green, and I'll just alternate those on both parts of the face mask. So I'll just move those colours around and I'll mix by putting half on top of a letter and half down below. That's those two done. I'm going to leave them to dry so that I can iron the back of them to fix them, and then I'll add some 3D outliners over the top. I'm back to using my water-soluble pen. And what I'm aiming to do is put my graffiti style letters and completely compact them into that shape. So I might be looking at diagonals, verticals, horizontal lines. I'm trying to look at putting some wavy lines in there. And I've also been inspired by looking at different graffiti style lettering online. So perhaps you might want to have a look at those for inspiration. Next, I'm using my fabric markers. I've got some chunkier markers and some thinner ones, and I'm going to fill in both of these.